fly by first. I'm gonna go down first. Alright, I'm almost there.
Okay. I'm gonna wreck before I get there.
Oh, I got you. Damn, but it was a shitty view.
Yeah, because I'm about to say I was like sliding out too.
Alright, back to bits. I got you though. I mean, I got you like 50 yards and then blow past. But it didn't look like you were moving that fast though. Because you were probably trying to slow down, right?
Kind of, yeah.
Sliding.
Yep.
It's hard to get turned around fast enough. Just say later that. You might want to call it. When you start turning around. Because, man, as soon as I called it, I started braking, flipped it, reversed it, traffic got stuck in my lane, and then as soon as I got away from the traffic, boom, there you went.
Alright, I'm moving down there.
Alright. I'm gonna get to the very, very back. There's a freaking big ass rainbow in the sky. Two of them, actually. Alright, I start up to the wall. Oh, I'm still recording. I'm gonna get in there quick, so.
Alright, I'm turning around. There's a wreck right up here. Jeez.
Was that not good or what?
Oh man,
That was good on both already.
I got kicked.
Really?
Yeah, for blocking the road.
Ah. I didn't think that one. That was quick though. Can you get back in hopefully?
Yeah.
That's why I was trying to time it quick so that it wouldn't be. But we got this.
Also, I also got this other guy like super wrecking.